Slack Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Slack are in the description below. In this video, we'll review Slack, one of the most widely used business communication and automation tools, designed for teams, businesses, and enterprises looking to improve collaboration and streamline workflows. Slack is more than just a messaging app. It integrates with thousands of business tools, automates repetitive tasks, and enhances team productivity through AI-powered workflow automation. One of Slack's key features is its channel-based communication, allowing teams to organize conversations by projects, departments, or topics. Instead of scattered emails, everything is centralized in Slack, making communication faster and more efficient. Direct messages, threads, and huddle calls ensure real-time collaboration without overwhelming users. For automation, Slack's Workflow Builder allows teams to automate repetitive tasks like sending reminders, collecting approvals, and updating databases without coding. Integrations with tools like Trello, Asana, Google Drive, and Salesforce enable seamless data sharing and automatic updates across different platforms. Slack's AI-powered Slackbot can also answer FAQs, schedule messages, and perform automated responses, reducing manual effort. Slack's notification management and Do Not Disturb mode help teams stay productive by controlling when and how they receive alerts. Its searchable message history and file sharing system ensure that important documents, conversations, and decisions are easily accessible. For remote teams, Slack's huddles and video clips offer quick voice and video communication without setting up formal meetings. Slack Connect also allows businesses to collaborate with external clients, vendors, and partners securely. Security is a priority, with enterprise-grade encryption, compliance controls, and identity management features, ensuring data protection. Large organizations benefit from Slack Enterprise Grid, which offers scalability, advanced administration, and custom automation options. Slack is available in both free and paid plans, catering to startups, top mid-sized businesses, and large enterprises. With its powerful integrations, automation features, and AI-driven workflow management, Slack is a must-have tool for businesses looking to improve communication and productivity. If you want to optimize your team's workflow, check the links in the description.